Well, now we have the pressure on.
Oh, I got the bears and ducks.
Oh, apparently Elizabeth's phone is ringing.
Yes.
Sorry, no MP3 player for you,
It's
kid.
Naomi.
Yay.
It's Naomi. Perfect timing, Naomi. We're doing a video.
Great. You're like in the video now, kind of.
Yeah.
Because my voice is.
Quick, put her on speakerphone, quick.
Oh, it's supposed to put you on speakerphone. Just a second. Hello, can you hear me now? All right. Now
You
you're...
gave Chloe.
Happy baby day, Chloe.
This is Naomi.
She heard her.
No.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello. Happy baby day, Chloe. I wish I could be there. But now,
Kid's looking
Elizabeth
like,
has
what?
captured my essence in a phone. So I am here. Hello, everybody.
Hello. Hello.
Carolyn said hi.
Carolyn said hi.
Hey, Naomi.
Shannon does too.
I did.
And I'm sure Hannah does from the kitchen.
Hi, Naomi.
She's not in here, you weirdo.
I just went over to Deborah's camera and
boy.
like yelled into the lens. And Hannah's holding Chloe in the other room, and she said that Chloe heard you when you said "Happy Baby Day."
Okay, that's enough. Goodbye, Naomi.
Oh, well, we're stopping with the video clip for you.